Hello and welcome. Today's video is going to be a quick one. It's about changing your modes for your transmitter for your cx20. This one's currently a mode 2, but it's exactly the same process for the mode 1, except it would be like that, but everything gets switched over the same way. I just had to learn this the other day because somebody asked me on the YouTube comments, and I actually didn't know because I never got a mode 1 transmitter by accident. So I'll give this a shot and show you guys the settings for this and for Mission Planner. Alright, take this guy apart. You can take the batteries out or leave the batteries in, it's up to you. Remove this guy here with a screwdriver or something. Can be hard at times to get out. Remove the 4 screws, there, and there. So when you lift the back off, lift it up just a little bit and slowly move it forward. This first wire here, you're going to want to remove it. And now you can put this over to the side for now. So there's ways of, I read that changing these guys here, the pots and everything like that, but I'm going to do it my way and the easiest way I think. So remove the 8 screws here for this module, or the 4 screws for this module and the 4 screws for this module. Remove these 2 center ones here, so move this guy, remove this one and that one, this guy and this guy. So now you're able to remove this carefully. Alright, so lift this guy up carefully, turn it, plug it on that side. Alright, so plug in this guy, it can only go in one way. So if you try plugging it in this way, it's not going to fit anyways. It's not going to go down. Plug this guy here like this. So these 2 guys are facing each other. Then screw it back in. Right, for both of these middle guys, they go to the first slots here. So just carefully find this wire here, and this guy goes into the first slot. And same with this guy. So this wire here, plug this on this side here. Plug this one on this side. Eventually. Alright, and then same with this guy. The guy up here now gets plugged into this one. So they're crisscrossed. Now the reason why I do that is because we can technically change it in software, but the chip here has a sensor on it, or a software on it, so if you're mid-range with your throttle, it's going to constantly beep at you. So by doing this, we're going to get rid of that beeping sound, and then we'll change the rest in Mission Planner. So put everything back together because you're done with this now. Alright, I changed it from mode 2 to mode 1, but it's exactly the same process changing it from mode 1 to mode 2. You have to cross the wires here because once this is bound with the receiver, it's going to constantly beep because this guy's stuck halfway and that chip senses that. So now by switching them over like I showed you inside, it should stop that beeping sound. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the mission planner settings.
Alright, connect to mission planner, go to initial setup, and then go to mandatory hardware and radio calibration, just to show you what happens now. So if you push up on this on the throttle goes down. If you push up, it goes up. And then the pitch is backwards. The roll goes the wrong way. And this guy, yaw, goes the wrong way. So next, go to config and tuning. Go to full parameter tree. And scroll down to RC. Don't use the scroll wheel in this menu. Always use the scroll bar on the right because you can change things by accident. So click on the plus sign for RC1 and change this to -1. RC2, change that to -1. RC3, -1, and RC4, -1. So write your parameters and then refresh your parameters. Go back into initial setup, back into your flight modes, and I'll confirm everything works. So if you move your throttle up, it should go up, roll should go to the left, to the right, your pitch should go down when you push it, this should go this way, and then the same with yaw. Yours will be backwards. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I kind of made it in a rush because I just wanted to learn how to do it, so I came up with this way. Hopefully it works out for you guys. If it doesn't, hit me up in the comments. And like I said at the beginning and in the middle, this will work for mode 2 to mode 1, and it'll work for mode 1 to mode 2. Just do everything exactly the same and do the same settings and you should be fine. Alright, like and subscribe, and that's it. Bye bye.